Welcome to Chi Body channel. Today we're going to go through a tutorial of 3 Tai Chi Qigong movements. First, wild horse spreads its min. Second, brush knee. And third, shadow forward and backward. Okay, let's get started. First move, wild horse spreads its min. To get started, we start with the standing posture. Body straight, breathe in and out slowly to your center to calm the mind. And then after about a minute, get into the ready posture. And start. First, body turning to the left side. And hands holding a ball. Left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. And pull the hands to the right side of your body where your body is weighted on the right leg, and then pull the left foot back, toes pointing down, then left foot step out, and then open your arms. Okay, from here, you're going to turn to the other side. And then hold the ball. Left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. Pull the hands to the left side of the body, where the body is weighted on the left foot. And then pull your right foot back. Toes pointing down, and then right foot take a step forward on your heel, and then shifting weight forward and hands spread open. Okay, again, turning the body to the left side, holding a ball. Left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. Pull the hands back to the right side of the body. Bring the left foot back. Left foot step out and land on the heel. And shifting the body weight forward. Hands spread open. And then turn to the other side. Right hand on the bottom, left hand on top. Pull the hands to the left side of the body. Pull your right foot back. Step out on your heel. Shifting weight forward. Spread your hands open. After you finish, back into ready posture, and then inhale to close your hands, and then back into standing position. Second movement, brush knee. Okay, from standing position, breathe in and out slowly to calm the mind. And body should be completely straight. After about a minute, get into the ready posture. Okay, to start, first shift your body weight to the right side of the body, and both hands start moving to the right side. And here, your left palm should be facing down and right palm facing up. And pull your left foot back, toes pointing down. Then step forward on your heel and shifting weight forward. At the same time, move your hands forward, and left hand brushes your left knee and right hand pushes forward. In this position, your left palm should be facing down and right palm should be facing forward. Then turn to the other side by first lifting your left toes up, and then turn your left heel. Then body and hands shifting to the left side. And then right palm facing down, left palm facing up. Pull your right foot back, toes pointing down. Step out on your heel and shifting weight forward. Hands also moving forward with the body. Then your right hand brushes your right knee and left hand pushes forward. In this position, right palm facing down, left palm facing forward. One more time. To the other side, first lift your right toes and turn on your right heel. Then body shifting weight to the right side. And left palm facing down, right palm facing up. Pull your left foot back, toes pointing down. Then step out, land on your heel, and shift weight forward. Body and hands moving forward. Left hand brushes the left knee, and right hand pushes forward. Other direction. Lift your left toes and turn on your left heel. Shift your body weight to the left side, hands moving to the left side, and left palm facing up, right palm facing down. Pull your right foot back, toes pointing down. Step forward on your heel and shift your body weight to the right side. Body and hands moving to the right side, and right hand brushes your right knee and left hand pushes forward. Once you finish, get back into the ready posture and breathe in to close your hands. Then close your feet and back into standing position. Third movement, shadow forward and backward. To get started, start from standing position, body completely straight. breathe in and out slowly to your center to calm your mind. After about a minute, get into ready posture. To start, shift your body weight to the right side of your body and pull your palms close to your body, both palms facing up. Then pull your left foot back, toes pointing down. Step forward on your heel and lift your left hand up and push your right hand forward. Your left hand should be above your head. Then turn to the other side by first lifting your left toes. Turn on your heel and shift your weight to the left side of your body, pulling both hands close to your body, palms facing up. Pull your right foot back, toes pointing down. Then step forward on your heel. Right arm lifting. And left hand pushes forward. In this posture, left palm facing outward and right palm also facing outward. Then again, lift your right toes, turn on your heel, shift your body weight to the right side of your body, pull both hands back, palms facing up. Pull your left foot back, toes pointing down, step out on your heel, shift your body weight forward, left hand lifting upward, right hand pushing forward. Turn to the other side by lifting your left toes, turn on your heel. Shift your body weight to the left side of your body, at the same time pulling your hands back, palms facing up. Pull your right foot back, toes pointing down. Step out on your heel. Shift your body weight forward. Right hand lifting, left hand pushing forward. After you finish, back to the ready posture and breathe in to close your hands. Then back into standing position.